Okay. Hello everyone. My report is about analysis on Dota 2 match. Dota 2 is a famous online multiplayer game, and from 2012 it has attracted more and more young people. There are almost 10 million registered players and about 3 billion matches. The problem is to handle and analyze this huge and complex data to update the game which help Dota 2 to become much more balanced. The goals of this project is to adjust content of Dota 2 that determine whether the game is balanced or not, and also fixing existing bugs and recording new bugs. As for values, for WoW, virtual staff and tickets of professional matches are main incomes. For example, WoW earned about $80 million in last year's international tournament. And for sponsors, their brands are known by audiences and players, such as keyboards, mouses, and so on. For players, more wonderful experience of game brings them more happiness. To achieve the goals of this project, following 4 phases are needed. For data collection, these 2 open source software are needed to extract data from match videos, which can save the storage of the WoW. For data wrangling, relational databases are set up to store data in various formats that can make WoW easily analyze the match data. After wrangling the data, WoW will first analyze the correlations of data and then visualize them. In this phase, Python is needed to visualize, and an influence diagram is made to describe how factors affect others and determine the updates. And finally, data presentation means updates are released to present values to players. This influence diagram is the final outcomes to illustrate how 3 main factors, this part is the characters, items, and the map, influence the balance, and then determine the satisfaction. And this data model is simply describe the relationships between 2 characters A and B. We could see within the character A, the skills are connected, and between 2 characters A and B, they are connected by the skill 2 and skill 4. Also, the atom also affect the skills. So each update would take much time to consider data models for all characters to adjust the content. So that's why Dota 2 is now the most balanced online multiplayer game in the world. Thank you very much.